Got a burned out headlight on this Solstice, so I'm going to go ahead and upgrade it to LEDs. Picked these up from Amazon. They weren't very expensive at all. These are 5,000K instead of 6,000K. 6,000's a little too bright. Let me show you how to replace them. First thing we need to do is get the hood open. That hood latch is right about there. This is really simple, y'all. Check it out. Here is our headlight. I'm replacing both of them. You just want to take it out. It is the same on the other side. Just put your thumbs on these little pieces of plastic here and twist, and then pull it out. As a general rule, don't ever touch headlights with your bare hands. Well, not the good ones anyways. Bad ones is fine. Take the old one off. I'm going to take this red piece and pull it back. And then we're going to push right here and take you out. If you look here, there's actually the gasket is still here. We do not need this because our new LED comes with one. Now this will only fit in here one way. That's it right like that. We'll lock you in place. And these are typically pretty tight fitting. Put that in. You may need to press down on this. Alright, there it goes. Make sure you put your red lock back in place. If your cable came off like mine did, it just snaps in. That's all there is to it. We got working headlights again. These should be nice and bright, which is important to me because around here there's more deer on the road than cars, and I need to see them. See y'all down the road.